In this tutorial, we will learn how to manage the vehicles created within the system. To do this, click on the Resources option. Here, you will find the Vehicles option. Upon clicking on it, you will be redirected to the Vehicles screen, which consists of 3 tabs. The first tab is Vehicles, where a list of all the vehicles will appear. The second tab is Brand, where the admin can view a list of all the brands. Here, they can search for a specific brand or create a new one. To create a new brand, simply click on the Create button. The final tab is Model, where the admin can search for specific models. To create a new model, click on the New button. The new model can be assigned to any brand that the admin can search for. Once the brand is selected, the model will be assigned to it. After clicking on Create Model, the model will be created under the selected brand. Returning to the Vehicle tab, the admin has the ability to filter the data based on assigned drivers, vehicle activity status, and more. Next, let's explore the Export feature. Here, the admin can export the vehicle data by clicking on the Export button. When creating a new vehicle, the admin can click on the New button. This will display a list of the brands. Upon selecting a brand, the models created under that brand will appear. In addition, the admin can enter the manufacturer, the number plate, and the color of the vehicle. They also have the capability to upload images of the vehicle. After clicking on the Next button, the vehicle will be created, and the admin can upload the vehicle's documents. Finally, by clicking on the Submit button, the vehicle will be successfully created. When you click on the number plate, the admin will be redirected to the Vehicle Detail screen. Here, the admin has the ability to assign multiple drivers to a single vehicle. When the admin searches for a driver by name or number, a list of drivers will appear. After selecting a driver and clicking on the Submit button, that driver will be assigned to the vehicle. If you click on the Assign button again, the admin can search for and select another driver. In this way, the admin can assign multiple drivers to a single vehicle. However, only one vehicle can be activated at a time. By clicking on the Activate button, the admin will see a list of drivers assigned to this particular vehicle. When the admin selects a driver and clicks on the Submit button, the vehicle will be activated under that driver's account. This gives the admin visibility into which driver is currently accessing the vehicle. If another driver needs to use the vehicle, the currently active driver must be deactivated from the admin panel or from the driver applications. Once the driver is deactivated from the vehicle, another driver can be assigned from the Vehicle Detail screen. In this way, the admin has the ability to create a vehicle, assign drivers, and manage vehicle details.